Hey, good morning, everybody. This is One Yacht Carpenter. I just wanted to give you guys a little lesson on how to properly and safely install. This is the ones we're going to be using today. These people are amazing and awesome. As you can see, this is a 250-pound gas shock. That means it has 250 psi holding this rod in, which is a little heavy for our application. Whoever ordered these shocks was correct in assuming that this hatch weighs around 250 pounds. But you don't go by that. There's a formula that you go by, but I don't know it. But if you call these people, they know it. They can guide you in the right direction. When I called them, I was like an infant. I didn't know anything. By the time I was off the phone with them, I was a certified tech. No kidding. Okay, anyway. First thing we want to do is we're going to let some gas out of these. Which means that we have to take off this end. So let me real quick take off that end. And then we're going to release some gas out of it. That end right there has a little valve in it. This is your release screw, 8mm. This isn't going to fit all shocks. It's only going to fit this brand of shock. And the way you adjust these, you screw this on. Till you hear that gas come out. Now I've already done one of these, so I know I need to do that 2 times in order to get the pressure we need. So we're going to do it one more time real quick. That is it. Unscrew that pressure screw. Put our hardware back on the end. Now I've taken the liberty of marking our holes where our bottom bracket is going to go. We're missing some parts on this one. This one doesn't have a little retainer clip, but we can continue on and get it marked to where it needs to be. I can see a trip to the local marine store is going to be in my future. Luckily I have a box of emergency stuff that we can use. Make sure you're getting the shot. Slide that back right in there. And we can mark where it's going. That's where we want it to be, in a full upright position. Looks good to me. So we're going to mark this hole. Take that off so we can mark the other hole. very little glass in here, so we don't want to overstress our screws. Before, if we wouldn't have let that gas out, we most certainly would have blew this hardware right off. When we attempted to close the hatch, it just would have exploded. Put that on like such. On like so. This is all the wrong hardware, but that's what I have to work with. And we need a little retaining clip for that. That's what we got. Boom, right there. Boom. That is it. So it's that quick. Now you guys want to see if it works now, huh? And so do I. They were trying to put this together with, 1.5" 12s. And couldn't get anything to stay together because they had the 250 psi on these shocks. So after releasing a little bit of pressure, goes right down. Beautiful. Okay guys, that's how it's done. This is my view for today. We'll bring you back later. This is One Yacht Carpenter, and I'm out. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Here's another install by One Yacht Carpenter. Everything went great. We had to rebuild the little blocks that the shocks weren't mounted to on all 3 of them. They had a little mileage on them, so we went ahead and epoxied them together and clamped everything together. So just like new, just needs a little paint, which is above my pay grade. But anywho, that's them. They all work just like they should. Okay guys, One Yacht Carpenter, and I'm out.